Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share photos with Google Photos step by step. Whether you want to share a single photo, multiple photos, or create a shareable link, this guide will show you the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, open your Photos library. Now select the photo you want to share. After selecting the photo, click the share icon in the top right corner. A sharing window will appear. To share the photo with a specific person, enter their email address in the search box. Select the contact and click Send. The photo will be shared directly with that person through Google Photos. If you want to share the photo with anyone, click Create Link. Google Photos will generate a shareable link. Click Copy Link and you can send that link through WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or any other app. You can also share multiple photos at the same time. Go back to your library, select Multiple Photos, click the Share icon and choose Create Shared Album. Give the album a name, add more photos if needed, and click Share. Anyone with access can view the shared album. To manage your shared photos, click the Sharing section from the left sidebar. There you can view all shared albums and shared conversations. That's it. You have successfully shared photos with Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.